What is going on YouTube? Hayden here. Welcome to the weekend where we're probably going to see crypto start to consolidate. That is typically what happens between Friday afternoon into probably Monday morning. The weekend stock market is closed and then we have a holiday on Monday too. So we're probably going to have a pretty long stretched out weekend here or extra day where markets might consolidate, if not actually start to veer lower. I really don't think they have any chance of heading higher up, although anything is possible here. But we are going to be looking at XRP, which you can see almost seems like it's starting to peak, like it's hitting its tipping point, and then we could possibly see correction. We've went over this multiple times. We're also going to be looking at Solana, which as of this morning has exploded to the upside here, getting extremely close to hitting what we had drawn as its top resistance here. Going to extend this out just a hair. This is very exciting. This is awesome. I mean, the major explosion to the upside was exactly what we called. It doesn't get any easier than this. We then have Ethereum, which is rejecting off resistance here, kind of getting stuck between a rock and a hard place. Bitcoin confirming closure outside resistance as of last night. We're also going to be looking at QQQ, which closed above resistance here. Again, anything could happen within QQQ and also within the S&P 500, which did close at a high, but it also closed at top resistance here, which means there is a very good chance it could continue to scale just a little bit lower here, fill in this gap before we ultimately see that breakout that we're also patiently waiting for. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, remember, before we dive into the technical analysis, today is the 18th, and that means that there's just a week and a half left of the trade for a chance to win some pretty cool prizes that BYDFI is offering. This is like the first time that I remember BYDFI actually doing a giveaway that involves like actual physical items. I guess they'll mail it to you, which is pretty cool, or give you the declared value, and then maybe you can go buy it yourself. That's probably the easiest route here. But as you guys can see, you can win free bonus crypto, AirPods, iPads, iPhones, backpacks, and even watches, which is pretty epic here. So definitely make sure to check it out if you haven't already, down in the description below. If you're already trading on an exchange, you might as well take advantage of it over here and either go back to that exchange or sign up or enter if you're already using BYDFI. Now, what we need to talk about, as you can see yesterday, the breakout continuing to the upside here. Major reversal, major swing to the upside, something we've been paying attention to for quite some time now on the channel. And if I jump to the coin market cap, we're not up too much on the week, but these cryptos are exploding. Solana's like the only one up 10% here. But look, 10.4 for the week for Bitcoin, 35% for XRP, 30% for Solana. These are cryptocurrencies that we've been watching for a very long time. We have Stellar up 15%, Chainlink up 22%. I mean, these cryptos are pumping, and I legit mean pumping to the upside here. It almost looks like some of these cryptos kind of had an early or a late start to the run to the upside here, and they're starting to fill in as we speak right now. So something like XRP, beautiful uptrend, beautiful rally up, bull flag formation. This is a textbook bull flag. I mean, if we look up bull flag crypto, you can see this is what a bull flag formation looks like here. This is on DYDX. We have trades. What is this? Tradeciety here. Then we have Binance, KuCoin. I mean, all these exchanges are showing you what a textbook bull flag looks like. Flag pull up, flag down, breakout to the upside here. If we look at what is forming on XRP, that is identical to a T, textbook bull flag breakout. Here's the thing though. There's a very good chance we had peaked. We have hit the top, and now we could cause possible correction here, a new formation to the downside, then a rally. I mean, there's a lot going on and a lot of thoughts to consider here, but we're going to wait. We have stop losses tight. If you didn't already get hit with that stop loss, we can still keep it tight because we don't know what's going to happen come Tuesday after the holiday here. There's a good chance it could very well head up higher. There's a lot of things to go over here, but I think we're leaning more so now maybe 60-40 in regards to a correction here. Good chance we could see some consolidation take place as you are going pretty far away. But again, like I said, if the stock market breaks through here and starts to head up, same thing with QQQ, then hey, it's only a matter of time. Like, we're doing really well, but I would think we are starting to peak on a lot of these cryptos. It very well could be that with XRP hitting top resistance here. This could cause correction because all these other cryptos kind of are hitting peaks. Like, look, hitting price ceiling. Ethereum, hitting a bit of resistance. Bitcoin is the only one that isn't. But then you go to like QQQ, possible resistance, S&P, possible resistance right here. So now with that being said, in order to take advantage of the XRP movements, when it does decide to happen, we're going to be doing so on BYDFI, which is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI. And on top of their free stuff that they're giving away, which is cool, they have some other cool perks and features on the exchange here. Obviously, like I said, take profits and stop losses right here, reduce only. They have market orders, stop limit orders, leverage of crazy high amounts, up to 200x now, which is insane. Don't recommend that, but if you want to, by all means. They even have the trailing stop losses and things like that, which is also super cool. But they have a demo trading account, which I'm trying to pull up if it lets me here, and then a reward center, which is super cool. So on top of the free stuff that they're giving away here, you then have an opportunity to take advantage of the sign up reward center here. If you sign up with the link down below, you can get New Year's rewards of up to 8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency, which is insane. And obviously, that's like if you're a whale, you can get up to 8K, but even just $100, if you think about it, $100 in free bonus cryptocurrency with like a 20x leverage is like 2K, which is a little going a very long way. So make sure to check that out down in the description below. And on top of that here, they give you 50K in demo money to practice trading your skills completely free. Learn the exchange, get familiar with the exchange, get familiar with the platform, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live account just by clicking this, which is super cool. But moving away from XRP and BYDFI here, other crypto is showing signs of possible resistance. Solana is one of those two. I mean, this was a very easy bull flag. We knew that once we saw the bull flag forming here, we broke out of it. That was very easy to capitalize on. And then we started to fall. And we said, okay, time to get out. Stop loss right here. We said, okay, good chance we're going to hover on support now. This at one point was a very solid resistance, this top resistance in yellow here. But now that we broke above, we're going to use it as a support. We rebounded, hit bottom price floor, and then we exploded off that. Extremely easy trade, extremely easy, inference that we made here with the possible rally. You can see in the price range here from bottom, we've exploded up 45% in just like a week, which is insane. But the buying opportunity was right over here, if not right over here, guaranteed once we confirm closure outside resistance right here. But when we rebounded off support here, we knew that we were going to be heading up. And where's that top resistance? Well, it's right over here because we've been tracking that for a very long time. So this was, again, a very easy buying opportunity. But now consider we're nearing overbought. So that's, the possible correction could take place here. Overbought on Solana or nearing overbought here. Same thing with XRP, overbought. Now it's starting to scream possible reversals, possible corrections to come with a lot of these cryptos. Ethereum looks like it could see a breakout here. There's plenty of room now, trading at 44 on the RSI. Plenty of room and potential for us to reverse out. It's just only a matter of time before we see that, but we are rejecting here, so it's interesting. Definitely 3 points of confirmation at this point, so we'll see if we get enough steam. We could easily pop off and break to the upside here. And same thing with like Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke through a major downtrend here, so I would think there's plenty of room now for this to also head up higher too. So markets are definitely like 50-50 at this point. I do think like some of these cryptos are firm, like solid with correction. Others seem like they have more room to head up higher. So it really is all up for debate here. Now, I did decide to throw in QQQ because I like it a lot. I have a lot invested in here, and I do believe it's something to look at. I think cryptos are much more aggressive compared to like QQQ in the stock market here. I think they're much easier to track, but you can see something like this. Beautiful ascending fractal here. Rebounding off supports, exploding up, and it's just been doing this. Whether or not it's going to hold out is up for debate, but I would likely think we're going to continue to scale higher here. And if that's the case, we could easily see one more spike lower and then easily pump to the upside here. So lots of buying opportunities across the board, but it don't get any like more obvious than this. I mean, we've just been doing the same thing over and over and over again for weeks now. For weeks, this ascending fractal here. So the fact that we've been tracking it, it makes it a lot easier to predict where it's going to be moving to. And with us rebounding off support, I did notice we typically break below support and hit red bands. So we'll see if that actually comes true. Like this might not be it. It could easily fall again and then see that last pump. But there's a lot riding on this and it very easily could head up. We did buy in once we tipped that. Small dollar cost average, like 10%. If we head lower, we'll obviously scale down, dollar cost average down. But just like this, like on the stock market, this is pretty much what I've predicted here. We've been in an ascending fractal since like 2023. Beautiful rally. It almost seems like we're too high up, But who knows if it's a new trend? I don't know. As we head up higher, things have to kind of pump more, and the price has to move up more to make the same like percentage gain. You know, $1 to $2 is 100%, but from $5 or $100 to $200 is also 100%. So I'm sure if I didn't say that before. So you can see that that's a big swing in regards to that. So it would, in a sense, need to continue to head up higher. Just because we're clearing more ground doesn't mean we're moving up that much, if you think about it here. So that's kind of my thought with this. So we might not be ready to pump or dump, but if we do, we'll be buying in on these levels as we head lower. But that's it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.